Have you ever felt like time is moving faster than you can catch it? Like every day slips through your fingers, and you keep whispering to yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll start tomorrow, I'll change tomorrow, I'll finally live the way I want tomorrow. But somehow, that tomorrow never comes. If that sounds familiar, this story is for you, because this might just wake you up. There was a young man named David, a dreamer with a heart full of ideas, but a mind full of excuses. He had big dreams, to write his own book, to travel to new places, to build something meaningful. But between his dreams and his reality stood a wall made of procrastination. Every morning began the same way. Wake up late, check the phone, scroll through other people's lives, and say softly, I'll do it tomorrow. And just like that, days turned into weeks, weeks into months. In his small, dimly lit room, there hung an old wooden clock, a gift from his late father. Its ticking was gentle, almost comforting. But David had stopped hearing it long ago. One night, the city lights outside went dark. A sudden power outage. For the first time in years, there was silence. David was laying in his bed, bathed in the faint moonlight leaking through his window. He could hear only one sound. Tick, tick, tick. Each tick echoed through the room. Slow, heavy, and painfully alive. And then it hit him. That clock had been moving every second of his life, with or without him. Time hadn't stopped, he had. And in that silence, he remembered his late father's voice, faint but clear like a whisper through the years. Every tick is a chance you'll never hear again. Don't waste it, waiting for the perfect moment. David looked around his room. A half-filled notebook, a backpack that never saw the world. Everything waiting just like him. That night he didn't sleep. He sat there listening to time, and when the power finally returned, he opened his notebook and wrote just 3 words. Today, not someday. The next morning the world was the same, but David wasn't. He went for a walk. The streets were alive with noise, cars rushing, people running, clocks ticking. And for the first time, he realized how fast everything truly moved. Time doesn't slow down for anyone. It doesn't wait for courage. It simply moves on. Days turned into weeks. He started small, writing 1 page, then 2, then 10. He failed, got frustrated, but he didn't stop. And slowly something changed inside him. His notebook began to fill, his heart began to settle, and his life finally began to move. Years later, David published that book. The same people who once scrolled past his quiet life now asked him, how did you do it? He smiled, looked at that same old wooden clock, still ticking in the background, and said softly, I just stopped waiting for tomorrow. We all wait for the right time, the right feeling, the right version of ourselves. But the truth is, that time never comes. The world won't pause for you to be ready. Time will move, with or without you. And one day, you'll look back and realize that the moments you thought were too small were the ones that could have changed everything. So whatever dream you've been delaying, start. Even if it's not perfect, even if you're scared, even if it's messy, because the perfect moment isn't coming. You have to create it. Every tick of that clock you hear right now is your reminder. Life is happening, not tomorrow, not someday, but now. If this story touched your heart, don't let it end here. Like the video, share it with someone who needs this reminder. And subscribe to SHK Tales, because life isn't waiting, and neither should you.